Welcome back, Purpose Built. So today, this fella. So I got some heat stuff to put around here. This is a heating tube, so off the exhaust, air gets blown through from the engine over the top of the exhaust will give you the heat, and through this up to the front. So I want to insulate this fella. So I've got some insulation, and I grabbed some silver tape to tape it on, and then just tidy up a few other little bits and pieces. Probably make a list of everything else I need to do before this thing rolls back over. Yeah, pretty exciting, not really, but let's get into it. Alright, up here at the bench, better show you what I'm using. Says in case someone wants to be an idiot like me. So it's just, I'm pretty sure it's just flooring underlay. So it's a foam with silver insulation on the outside, which if I do it right should make it pretty watertight. Yeah, so just a foam on the inside, and I thought that'll be better than nothing. And then just this stuff to tape it down. So I've used this stuff before when yeah, making shit waterproof. I've used pretty similar stuff, like just a foil tape before, and it works really well. So that's what we're going to use. So next up, jump over here, measure this up. Oh, actually, let's just try that now. Damn, a short. Oh well, it'll happen. But yeah, I'll layer it up a few times with this. So go round and round and round and round. Get probably 4 or 5 layers thick, just to give it nice insulation. Tape it all up, make it as waterproof as possible, and then I'll probably wander up that way and do up the front and in here as well. So bit of a time lapse. done. So it took me a little bit longer than I thought. Zipped him all up, taped it all in. So it's not all, I went a little bit overboard with the tape because I had heaps extra. So just taped most of it, just to keep it from flapping around in bits and pieces. I got to tap this piece back in, and there's a little mark down here that you push to make sure it's flat. Put it in, and then I got to have a tube that goes from here down to here. Just goes, loops around. It just pumps the hot air that comes in into the passenger's footwell. So happy. So I had a mate come over. Rod looks a little bit like Finnegan of Roadkill. He helped me flip it over. Didn't take too long. And then we talked, and then we went out for dinner. So that was good. But now it's late. I need to wrap this episode up. So yeah, next, suspension in the front, suspension in the rear, brakes, all that kind of stuff. More on that later. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I now have a Facebook channel, and it's going to have all my videos pop up there as well, other content, some photos and bits and pieces. So please tell me what I'm doing right, wrong, what not to do, and yeah, please comment and share and tell all your friends, and I'll see you guys again soon. Cheers.